So, how does Indonesia face it? Climate change is a recent global problem, including Indonesia, which needs to be solved with various solutions, such as conserving and preserving the environment, improving infrastructure to be more efficient in energy, and raising the awareness of climate change between the government and the public. Here are some methods to persuade and educate the solution of climate change on temperature in Indonesia. Climate change has an impact on Indonesia's high temperature recently. Based on CNBCindonesia.com, Indonesia's average temperature until April reached 27.74 degrees, including the highest temperature in the last 40 years. Human failure is one of the causes of the climate change problem. Mining and other industrial processes also produce gas. Machines used in manufacturing processes often operate on coal, oil, or gas. The use of fossil fuels in transportation is a major contributor to carbon dioxide emissions to the combustions of petroleum-based products, such as gasoline.
So, in response to the challenges, there is an awareness need to maintain and expand green areas and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The community recognized the impact of rising temperatures in Indonesia by deforestation. Planting trees can help neutralize the air while refreshing the environment in Indonesia. Additionally, reforestation can upgrade biodiversity, improve soil quality, and improve natural habitats for wildlife. We need to encourage more people to participate in tree planting activity. To support this effort, there are policies aimed at protecting existing forests as well as promoting sustainable land use.
Furthermore, taking action on Indonesia's climate change could be done in various practical plans toward the infrastructure, which need to be considered both for the government and civilians. The government have to prioritize infrastructure, enhance the sustainability of each infrastructure in Indonesia. We need to participate in developing better rural infrastructure, such as roads, bridges, and water facilities, as well as the development of better urban infrastructure, such as transportation, water, and sanitation systems, so that we can reduce the impact and improve the quality of Indonesian citizens. In another aspect, we also need to solve climate change effect by improving transportation and energy infrastructure, such as conserving the efficiency and make it more sustainable.
Raising awareness of climate change among both the government and the public is important for driving action. The efforts are including implementing educational programs in schools, conducting public awareness campaigns, incentivizing sustainable practices, upgrading dialogue between policymakers and citizens, as well as promoting transparent communication about climate science and its impacts. The government could collaborate with educational institutions to integrate climate change curriculum at the school level. Meanwhile, public awareness campaigns can be conducted through mass media, community events, or online campaigns. Additionally, the government can provide incentives such as emission reduction taxes or subsidies for environmentally friendly technologies to encourage more sustainable behavior changes. Overall, climate change is a common problem in Indonesia and it requires solutions both from the government and civil society. Together, we can put into effort to the problem of the rising temperatures in Indonesia and by persisting and maintaining the environment well-being, developing infrastructure to be more sustainable, and educating climate change awareness between the government and the public.
We should
Be part of the solution.
Rather than part of the problem.
Future is
future is
now.
now.